Guys, just to do a quick review, I'm not going to talk too much. There's a lot of things on YouTube how this works, but yeah, there's the awesome remote that comes with it. The settings you can check on YouTube also, other channels. I'll make a quick fast one. Lighty just picked up a big king here. I'll post that video also. As you can see now, we pushed anchor mode and it's holding us perfectly here in position, even though we got a strong current pushing here. High tides coming in, we're in a channel here, and it's holding us perfectly on the spot. If you look like that, straight ahead there's a number 42. We're sitting dead still on one spot. We tested it yesterday in the dam and it was awesome, the spot lock. Anchor mode, yeah, they call it anchor mode. GPS, check that, does its own thing. So yeah, what I like about this was the anchor mode. You just push there, your control buttons, your speed, faster, slower, left, right. You can save 16 tracks, so I can go slowly up here and save it, and I can go do that automatically again. The other button that's nice is here is the speed. So on the remote it shows you the speed setting, say 1 kilometer per hour. If I want to go 1 kilometer per hour, I push that button when it's on that speed and it will keep it on that. This other button in the function that's nice is your course, your direction, which is this button that I like to use. If I set it now straight to go there, I push that button and it will automatically keeping me going straight for that point. Doesn't matter what the current or the wind's doing. So yeah, let me show you guys. That's anchor mode. There we're going off anchor mode. Putting on the prop. Okay, now we're going forward a bit. Just want to get to the speed. On the remote it shows the speed. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, there's 1.1 kilometer. I want to maintain that speed and cast the bank, which is nice. So now I just push that button there. Right, there it goes. It's maintaining the same speed now. Target heading, I want to go straight for in line for the back of that ship, because we're casting to the bank here underneath the ships for kingies and that. So I want to maintain my direction straight there. Now I'm just pushing this button here. There we go. Right, so my speed set, my direction is set. Watch how this motor operates. Well, does it do its own thing? Doesn't matter what the wind or the current does. Now you can fish on autopilot. I don't need to do nothing. I'm hands free. I can grab my rod, cast the bank, retrieve back, cast the bank, retrieve back, like my crew's doing here. We're keeping our same distance from the bank. Check this motor how it's turning. It's keeping us going in the same direction on its own. Hands free autopilot. Amazing. Best buy ever, guys. Get yourselves the WaterSnake GeoSpot GPS spot lock. It's also for salt water. I used it yesterday in the dam for bass fishing. It was amazing, especially spot lock, what they call anchor mode, sorry. As soon as you hit a big fish, you push anchor mode, you stay in that spot and you can work it. This one is for salt water, so it's nice for you on the harbor estuaries. I'm also going to use it offshore. I got some nice rock hard spots and reefs where we're going to do some vertical jigging, and we'll put anchor mode, will keep us on that spot. Normally a normal anchor moves you away, or you still move around, or still turn in 360 degrees depending what the current and the wind does on the anchor. With this, keeps you on the same place. Check out it keeping us same for the direction. I aimed for the end of the ship and that's where it's taking us. Doing its own thing, don't need to touch it. Other thing it's nice, if you want to slow down, I can slow down too by just pushing down. If I want to change the course, I don't want to go for the end of the ship anymore, I maybe want to go more left, I just choose left and I push that button again. Now see what it does. Now it will take us straight for that automatically. See, now it's turning us away from the ship. Now we're going a straight line like that, so I'll probably run at a 45 line like that until I'm about 50 meters away from the ship. You got to be 50 meters away from the ship, and then I'll choose it a straight course again out. Awesome, also remote, guys. There's a lot of videos on this. Amazing, good motor. Thanks.